Today I am kiss testing and swatching Kat Von D Smoke and Mirrors Grayscale Mini Lip Duo Quo Beauty Velvet Kiss Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gray Skies, and going over some of my other favorite gray liquid lipsticks. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. You ready to test this one out? This is Dagger, Kat Von D. You still have food on your face. Oh. I got this Kat Von D Smoke and Mirrors Grayscale Mini Lip Duo because it was on sale at Sephora. Seems like it's been on sale forever. It's $13 Canadian, which is a good deal for 2 mini lipsticks, and you get a perfume sample. KVD lipsticks are a transfer resistant, long wear liquid lipstick in bold, high pigmented vegan shades with a smooth, comfortable matte finish, is what they're described as on the Sephora website. Another one I'm trying today is Quo Beauty Velvet Kiss Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gray Skies. This is the Shoppers Drug Mart brand. I haven't seen any videos on this one, so if you're looking for this shade, I hope you found this video. It says potent, powerful, precise. Color locks into lips and won't let go. Full coverage, glides on, cushy soft, and provides long-lasting wear. This is Quo Beauty Velvet Kiss Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gray Skies. Okay, come here, sweetie. Did that leave anything? No, that time it passed. So I kissed them before and it left just a slight, tiny line. But it's pretty good. It doesn't claim to be transfer proof. That leaves something? Oh, a tiny little bit. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's a slight gray line there. Well, that's pretty good. This is a Canadian brand. You get it at Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada, so I'm not sure if it's available anywhere else. Mwah. See, leaves a little bit. See right there? But not a lot considering how dark this is. See, just a little bit. Put it on your tongue. A very slight line. Can we show them? Right there. It does pretty well. This is Dagger, Kat Von D. Here are the 3 swatches on my hand. As you can see, Quo is a bit of a blue-gray, Dagger is a medium gray, Wolf is a dark gray. These all have the doe foot applicator. Yeah, so this one performed really well in the kiss test, a lot better than I thought. It didn't transfer too much, very comfortable. I really like this shade. It's a gray with like a hint of blue, so very nice. So the lipstick that you saw were in the shades Wolf and Dagger. I am wearing both the shades as an ombre right now. Very comfortable, really like it. As you saw in the kiss test, it performed really well. Like, it only transferred a little bit. So definitely recommend these, definitely worth 13 bucks. These are the size of the lipsticks that you get. So they are minis. One thing to note is that they do come unsealed. So these come in that box wrapped in tissue paper. When they came unsealed, I was kind of like, I don't know, like I'm so unsure with unsealed lip products. But I was talking to a beauty associate that works at Shoppers Drug Mart, and she was telling me that some brands do put out unsealed products to save money. So she said, just to make sure that this part doesn't, like, when you take it out of the tube, I don't know what this part's called, where the little screwy things are, doesn't have lipstick. I'll put a video over top of me opening this lighter shade Dagger, because I opened it today, and if you see what this looks like now, this was clear before. There was nothing on this part of the lipstick tube, so you could definitely see when I took it out how lipstick got on the inside of the upper part of the tube. So if you are buying unsealed products or you get products unsealed, that's one way to see if they've been taken out, if the wand has been taken out. I did not know this. I did a video on Lip Monthly where all the products I got were unsealed, and I didn't know that trick to check. Learned something new, and these were both fine. I thought of getting this a couple times to be part of a giveaway. I try to do giveaways about once a month. Check out my giveaway playlist to see if there's any running right now. If I am going to give something away, I want to make sure that it's sealed, just because I'm just some random person on YouTube. These are free of parabens, cruelty-free, vegan. You get this perfume sample with it, which I opened but I haven't really used. Another thing I should mention, on the Sephora website it says Kitten in the name. Kitten Mini Smoke and Mirrors Grayscale Mini Lip Duo. I don't see the word kitten anywhere on this box. So some other gray lipstick in my collection include this Lime Crime Cement. This is a super old lipstick. I did another Baby Kiss video with it. It passed, but I think it was starting to get crumbly near the end, though this is a very old lipstick. They are very drying. If you don't like that dry liquid lipstick feeling, don't go with Lime Crime. You would like Kat Von D a lot better. But besides this, if you are looking for gray lipstick, definitely check this out. I did another video on this. This is the Contour and Strobe lip set with the shade Silver Fox and a lip strobe Enchanting. You get this cool, it's from Quo Beauty. You get this cool tin. It's kind of like a medium gray. Go to my other video if you want to see the color of that. I got this at Sephora too, but I think you can get it from the Quo Beauty website. If they're still selling it, I don't know. I guess if they're not selling it, go with Smoke and Mirrors. But this lip gloss looks amazing on top of a gray lipstick. Like, it really enhances that ombre look. It just looks so good. Like, yeah, once you put the gloss on, it transfers, but... And that was the lip gloss Enchanting by Quo Beauty. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, please hit subscribe. Nice hat. See, it leaves a tiny line. You have to take my word for it.